The 2024 Tenere 700. New feature for 2024. Yamaha Quickshift capability. The 2024 Tenere 700 now comes pre-wired for the installation of Yamaha's accessory quick shifter. New Yamaha Y-Connect smartphone connectivity. The new 2024 Tenere 700 features Yamaha Y-Connect smartphone connectivity, which works in conjunction with the free-of-charge Y-Connect app, available for iOS and Android, to enable a direct connection between motorcycle and smartphone. Y-Connect capability for the Tenere 700 includes the ability to view incoming text and phone notifications on the new 5-inch color TFT display. Additional useful functions include the ability to track and record key motorcycle ride data within the app, including distance covered, fuel consumption, top speed and much more, as well as monitoring and notifying the rider or other contact of motorcycle technical issues. New 5-inch color TFT display. A rich new 5-inch color TFT display is controlled by a new scrolling dial on right handlebar, and offers countdown trip meters and 2 different screen themes, a modern dynamic design and a more traditional look reminiscent of the analog era. The new 2024 Tenere 700 now offers 3-mode selectable ABS, allowing riders to choose the preferred level of braking intervention. Mode 1 is the ABS fully activated on both front and rear wheels. Mode 2 enables ABS on front wheel only and turns ABS off on rear wheel, and Mode 3 turns ABS off on both front and rear wheel. Note: always ride on paved roads with the ABS turned on. The Tenere 700 engine combines exceptional reliability and exciting power delivery in a compact, fuel-efficient package. With an overall size similar to some single-cylinder motors, the 689cc fuel-injected, liquid-cooled DOHC inline twin gives the Tenere 700 a slim feel for exceptional off-road confidence. The Tenere 700 utilizes a long-travel 43mm inverted fork with 8.3 inches of travel. The beefy inverted layout is highly resistant to flex to maintain precise steering and suspension action. The Tenere 700 flaunts its serious off-road intentions with tough spoked wheels mounting 21-inch front and 18-inch rear tires, ideal for both on and off-road riding.